Okay, this is redox equation, and you are going to balance this redox equation, and for this you need to divide your equation into two halves. First half is oxygen is converting into water, and second half is this converting into ethanol converting into ethanoic acid. And here we need to consider the fact that ethanol first converted into ethanol, which is ethanaldehyde, and then it will convert into ethanoic acid. So our oxidation half equation, this is our oxidation half equation, this is our reduction half equation. So how do we know this is reduction? See, you can check it from the oxidation state. 0, 2 minus 2, and there is a decrease in oxidation state, so we decide that this equation is for reduction and above equation for the oxidation. Rest will be confirmed by doing the question, right? I hope you understand this point. So for this purpose you will divide, and when you divide your equation you get first equation, which is oxygen changing to water molecule. So you find the oxidation state, it is 0, it is minus 2. As you know, we have two oxygen atoms, so for this you need to balance. With 2, oxygen is balanced. In acidic medium, to balance hydrogen atom, we add hydrogen ion, and now our equation is balanced. Since 4 electrons are gained, we need to add 4 electron here. So this is our first balanced half equation, which is called reduction equation. Now how can we balance this into this and into this, and we get one oxidation half equation? See, so in this part we will balance this equation ethanol to ethanol. So for this we need to know the oxidation state of carbon. To find oxidation of state of the carbon, we need to formulate it. So it is +1, it is +1, it is +1. So we will write number on the carbon. So the sum is equal to 0. So we write here -3 because we have +3 here. In a similar way, for this part, +1, -2, +1, +1, and when we solve it together, we get +1. So we will write here -1. So what is the oxidation state of carbon? -3, -1, it is -4. So you know it is -4 in this carbon, in this ethanol. Now in this case, what is the oxidation state of aldehyde? We will do it in a similar way, +1, +1, +1, and the oxidation state is -3. In a similar way, -2, +1, so we are left with -1. We will put here +1. See, so we have oxidation state of carbon which is equal to -2. So what is the change? Now we are balancing this equation. What is the change? -2 to -4, you can see when you write it on the number line, -4 to -2, -4 to -2, increase in oxidation state. It means there is a loss of 2 electron. Now we need to balance the number of atoms. Oxygen is balanced, carbon is balanced, but hydrogen, we have 6 hydrogen here and we have 4 hydrogen here. So in order to balance hydrogen, we can add hydrogen ion, since this reaction is occurring in a acidic media. So how many hydrogen ions required? It is 2 hydrogen ions. So So 6 hydrogen here, 6 hydrogen here. Now balance this equation in a similar way. You already know the oxidation state, which you find here -2, and you need to find the oxidation state of acid. It is +1, +1, +1. So what is the state of this carbon? It is -3. Now the next part, -2, -2, +1, oxidation state is -3. And what is the oxidation state of carbon here? It is +3, -3, and +3. Oxidation state is 0. So -2 to 0, increase in oxidation state, so loss of 2 electron. How can we balance number of hydrogen? Hydrogens are actually, they are equal. We need to balance oxygen. To balance oxygen, we can add water molecule. So how many oxygens are there? 1 oxygen is extra here, so we will add water molecule. Now we need to balance hydrogen of water molecule, so we can again add 2 hydrogen ion, right? So now we need 1/2 equation. That 1/2 equation is basically oxidation half equation. So when we add them together, we get this is cancelled out, and we just add them together. We get water here, we get ethanol here, CH3, CH2OH goes to ethanoic acid, which is CH3CH2, sorry, CH3COOH plus 4 electrons, we sum up, and 4 hydrogen ion. So now you have oxidation half equation and reduction half equation. This is oxidation half equation, which you get from 2 oxidation equation, ethanol to ethanol and ethanol to ethanoic acid. When you add them together, you get this equation, and this is oxygen half equation, and this half equation is called reduction half equation. Now we are going to add them together. The things which are similar on both sides on opposite side of the equation, they will be cancelled out. So first we are going to cancel what? Hydrogen ion, number of electrons, 4 electron will be cancelled out with 4 electrons. And we have one similar thing here, opposite side. We have 2 water molecule here and 1 water molecule here. So we will subtract 1 water molecule from here. It will be eliminated from this side, and we write 1 water molecule here. We are left with 1 water molecule. So this is our balanced equation, which we get after adding them together, ethanol to ethanoic acid, in which 4 electrons are used. I hope you understand this equation. Thank you very much.